Let's do some underpainting. Why not? Let's give it a try. So if you've ever been curious, why would you do it? You know what? It's just sloppy and messy, and it just gets everything on there and finishes with your foundation. So what we're going to start with, I'm going to get my blush on there, and you basically go pretty heavy with everything. So you're going to look a little bright and bold and beautiful. My under eye corrector first. So it will give me a bit of a highlight, a bit of a blemish right here. So I will get my spot solution later, but we'll just get that covered. So anywhere where you have extra redness that you want to cover, do your concealer and use our contour here. And here, you get your kissed cheeks. You want to emphasize right here. We're going to go across the top. That basically just gives you just a little bit of, well, contouring. We're going to go here. Okay, good. Okay, so we're going to go in now with my foundation. So I've already got my foundation blended on my hand, and I have got my blending sponge. I'm really liking this. So when you do underpainting, you basically are going to press in rather than brush on. And when you're done, you will have a finished face. So there we go. So again, everywhere where you've got contour, where you've got your blush, you want to stipple rather than brush, because you want to keep that product where it's placed. Super easy. So if you've ever had stress about contouring, it basically takes some of the stress out because you just get it all on. And when you've already got your foundation on and you're happy with your foundation, you don't necessarily like to mess it up with, I mean, you can't mess up makeup. You get it on, you play, you have fun. Sometimes it's different every day. So basically what you're doing though is you've got your contour, you got your blush, and I'm going to do a bit of bronzer after, but basically that's it. Add your bronzer on top. That's just going to give you a little bit more of a highlight. Go across, down, over, and everywhere where you're getting the sun hitting, that's where your bronzer is going to go. My translucent powder. For oily skin, you're pressing in the skin, and I am just going to go under my eye area. So if you have any transfer of your mascara, let's say you laugh, you know what, there's reasons why you get transfer, and it isn't the mascara's fault. But if you're a laugher like this, you know what, you're going to get some transfer. Use your translucent powder, which is my favorite thing for everything in the world. Now, if it wasn't as much color as you wanted, what I'm seeing in the mirror, I'm happy. You could always add a bit more. I didn't go quite dark enough, and because these blush sticks are actually a very beautiful pastel-y color, if you wanted just a bit of extra color, you could go over top. But I could have gone super heavy with that blush before. Feels good. It's not a lip balm, but it feels amazing. Okay, have a great day. That's underpainting. Have a good one.